Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Volvo, a company known for its dedication to safety, dependability, and subtle elegance, is making a big entry into the high-end recreational vehicle industry with the expected 2026 Volvo Expedition Luxury Motorhome. It is anticipated that this car would perfectly combine Volvo's basic principles with the needs of discriminating tourists looking for unmatched comfort and independence on their journeys. It is anticipated that the 2026 Volvo Expedition Luxury Motorhome's exterior will radiate a feeling of sophisticated toughness. The car will probably have clean lines, significant dimensions, and a focus on aerodynamic efficiency, departing from blatantly flashy aesthetics. Superior materials, maybe including reinforced structures and cutting-edge composites, will highlight Volvo's commitment to longevity and safety. The newest LED technology will probably be incorporated into integrated lighting systems for both illumination and signaling, guaranteeing maximum visibility and a contemporary appearance. The practical requirements of long trips will be met by a variety of storage options that are smoothly incorporated into the bodywork. It is expected that the 2026 Volvo Expedition Luxury Motorhome's powertrain will make use of Volvo's experience with strong and effective engines. A strong diesel engine that satisfies the most recent pollution regulations is probably a good option because it will offer the torque and dependability required to navigate a variety of terrains. To maximize fuel efficiency and offer a comfortable driving experience, an innovative transmission system, possibly an automatic manual transmission, will be used. Additionally, it will be crucial to incorporate Volvo's well-known safety features, such as stability control, advanced braking systems, and driver assistance technologies, to guarantee a safe trip for its passengers. The 2026 Volvo Expedition Luxury Motorhome's inside is where the focus on comfort and luxury will be most noticeable. The living areas are anticipated to have a minimalist yet elegant look, inspired by Scandinavian design ideas, and will be distinguished by premium natural materials, ergonomic furnishings, and an abundance of natural light. Culinary fans will be served by a well-appointed kitchen with high-end appliances and lots of storage. Comfort and peace of mind will be given first priority in the sleeping quarters, which may include beds that can be adjusted and blackout solutions. The residential sense will be further enhanced by a well-designed bathroom that has upscale fixtures and finishes. The Volvo Expedition Luxury Motorhome of 2026 will have extensive yet user-friendly technological integration. Many car features, such as entertainment, lighting, and climate control, will probably be controlled by a central control system. High-speed internet connection and satellite communication capabilities are examples of advanced connectivity characteristics that will meet the demands of remote work and play. In addition, an advanced energy management system that includes solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and an effective generator will try to reduce dependency on outside power sources and increase self-sufficiency. The 2026 Volvo Expedition Luxury Motorhome is designed to cater to a specific group of discriminating tourists who value dependability, safety, and subtle luxury. Its expected combination of strong engineering, elegant styling, and cutting-edge technology points to a car that can travel long distances in comfort and style, demonstrating Volvo's dedication to provide a first-rate and reliable travel experience.